to the end and learn on how to trade with AI automated bots. So this is a tutorial for trading with AI automated bots and making our daily profit. So as you can see, I have Binance where I buy my assets. Then I have RunQuilly where I get my free automated bots. And if you comment on my videos, you can have a chance to get a startup capital. I'll find you. So after funding your RunQuilly account, we go very fast because I already did a video. I just got a hot deal here, so I just want to share it. So you come on deposit, you fund your account. For those who are new, for those who have already funded, like me, you can see I have 59,768. I'm still trading on futures, and you can see the price is going up and down. So you just come to your trading bot. When unlocked, let me unlock, then come back. So guys, we're back and we continue. So as I was saying, we are using automated bots. So I'll just come and find the bot of my choice, and you check on the percentage profit and the losses also. So let's trade with the 100 USDTs. You can see this bot is doing great, and I'll just click there and run my bot. Let's do 200. Remember, you can set your take profits or your stop loss if you have a problem with the bot. So let's check our live chat bot, the live chat of our bot, or we can check the logs for this bot, how it's doing. We can check. The first one is profit 3.66. We wait for the first log to form out of this bot. So we are using automated bots. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn more on how to trade with automated bots. So we are at 16. We check the P&L. That's where you see your gross profits. And the volume is 536. This is a loss. You can see this is a loss of 3. Not bad. Let's see if it will recover. Let's see if it will recover. 25 recovery. Actually, another 10 USDT's profit if you minus the loss we've made with this bot. So it's the best, huh? Right now, if you have 100 or more, make sure you are using this bot. Another loss of 2. Imagine if you have $100 and we are trading with this bot, then you get let's say 25 or 50 in a trade. That's 150. So if you do 3 times, you trade this bot three times, then you are somewhere good. Another win of 11 with these automated bots. Another one, a loss, a small loss. Let's wait for another one to form. We can as well check the live chat and see where it's going. It is an uptrend. If you want to check the time, just go back, refresh. That's the time remaining for this bot, 33 minutes. And we have 4 wins and 4 losses. Total of 8, a P&L of 31. You can choose to stop your bot or you pause it, then you continue. So make sure you follow me and you like my videos, share and comment so that you can be selected to be given free capital. Let's do this, my guys.